Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use Canva Pro to achieve an awesome AI talking video, which is good. Now I want to show you guys this is easy. Now, in order to use this, you have to have a Canva Pro plan. Now, neglect any links you see online going to send you to a different kind of links to just be able to get Canva Pro. That's the wrong way. We've been using that before. There's nothing to achieve there because you're not getting the right information when searching for invite links. And to get Canva Pro is very cheap and affordable. So just come to your Canva Pro. Once you register with Canva, go to this icon here, which is your profile. Go to plan and prices. So this is Canva Pro. As you can see, this is for a year, or you can be paying for a month, per month. Now this is the monthly price. If you're in Nigeria, it is $2.8. If you're in overseas, it's not up to $2. So it's very easy and affordable to use. Why I'm talking about this because searching for invite links not to use Canva Pro is not essential anymore. So let's go back to Canva. Now let's create awesome AI videos using Canva AI. So what I will do next is I'll just impute this. Now I have created this, but I won't be using this exactly. So go to ChatGPT and let's paste this. So let's change this. Let's say Giant Tech. So you can add anything you want to. For instance, create an 8 seconds prompt for a realistic AI video featuring an Nigerian woman in a hairdressing salon with customer and staff visible. The woman is wearing a white shirt with bold logo Big Giant Tech on it. Now, in the video, the woman will say, "I'm a hairdresser with Big Giant Tech. I style people hair while AI helps me manage my business." Now, this is quite the narrative of people using AI currently in promoting their videos or their businesses. So let's do something different. Let me just rechange this. So guys, I just rephrase this and apply a different ideas to it, so you can also do the same thing. So this is a Nigerian pastor, so I just have to do something different for you guys to understand. So by using just ChatGPT helps to make the prompt more catchy. So I'll just set this, and ChatGPT is free. So this is generating. So what we do normally is we just copy this same, but I just want us to copy everything here. Okay, copy all and go to Canva, then you paste this to Canva. Now this is meaning you just take this to create a video clip. So that's all we are doing. Then you click send or enter. So you click submit. So this is it. Now this is generating. As you can see, this is generating. Now thanks for the details saying. Right now I can't add text or dialogue directly into your videos very well, but I can help you generate a video without the text and can easily add the dialogue or capture. Would you like me to create the video without text for you? Just say yes. Then you enter. Now this is thinking. This might take like a minute or two. Now I create the video based on the same direction. So while doing this, most of you guys will understand. So let me just go back to Canva, to ChatGPT. Just copy this scene section. Just copy this section. Okay. Yeah, just this section here. So, okay, now from this section, which is the main character section, and this, just copy this. So why I want to do this again, so just for those that don't understand much on this, So as you can see, this is generating and it takes a while. So as you can see, this is the video. So let me just click on it. And
do you love Jesus? Person wey die for your sins, now they take play like this. I pity you now.
Now this Canva AI could not generate the text in this white shirt, so it's unable to generate the text. So that's what it was telling us before. So basically, this is how you also use Canva AI to
do you love Jesus?
AI video, which is very good.
Person wey die for your sins.
It's easy. Just have to subscribe to Canva Pro. Do not go online searching for invite links, because most times you get to download phishing software that will damage your PC and get into your information. So just go straight to Canva and subscribe to Canva, which is affordable. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like this, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment my videos.